Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about CSS text. Okay, so here before we start with the style sheet, again it is internal style sheet only. But before we start with the styling part and all that things, let me tell you one thing. In the body section, we have total two things. One is H1, this is heading, and one is paragraph. This page has a background color and what text. And coming to the style sheet part, because it is so many things in the style sheet of CSS text. First of all, we are going to give the style to body section like background color. Then normal color indicates the text color. Then text alignment, you where exactly you want to send center, left, right. Now text decoration line, it can be underline, it can be overline, it can be strike through, anything. Text transform, that means you want in a capitalized form, you want in a lower case, you want in a upper case. Letter space means between two letters spacing 5 pixel, 10 pixel, 12 pixel, whatever. Line height, it will be 0.8 or it can be 1 2 3, whatever you want. Word spacing between two words, how much space you want, 10 pixel, 20 pixel, etc. And this same thing, like same properties we have used over here also, but with the different value. And just the add-on, that is the last one, which is the text shadow. So 2 pixel horizontal, 2 pixel vertical, and the color whichever you like, red, green, blue, whatever. Suppose if you want blue, you can write blue also. Okay, and control S. So let's check the output of this actually. Yeah, so this is nothing but this is heading. This is all about H1. You all can see shadow also, red color. Then overline, it is uppercase. This is lowercase. This is on right hand side. This is on left hand side. See, these are all the properties you all can see. Text color, text alignment, decoration, letter spacing. Suppose you want 10 pixel. Control S. Okay. Yeah, so just will refresh this. See, now what is this is the difference. And suppose you want to change letter spacing of this also, this one. Yeah, suppose 15 for example. Control S. See, suppose you want to change word spacing, and here for example 50. Control S. See, this is what you will find. Okay, so these are all CSS text properties, all this. Yeah, this one, all CSS text properties. Okay, but we have used background property also, like background color. Okay, otherwise color, text align, text decoration, text transform, letter spacing, line height, word spacing, and here also text shadow. All this comes under CSS text. Thank you everyone.